Good afternoon, dear students. So welcome back Avi and her classes. Students, in today classes that you know, fourth standard. So that is the same chapter. The remaining chapter is that is multiplication. So same chapters I will explain students. Can you observe students this? Especially already I told for that exercise 4A. Once 4A means that is. But the same chapter 4A already first main and second main already I will explain students. Yes, students, that remaining chapter the multiplication. So already I will explain that exercise 4A. So 4A up in first main and second main and third already previous classes we have discussed that. In today classes that is the same and it's a remaining part of the exercise. So today classes we discuss that. Students, you know that exercise 4A. Students, once again, you have to recall the properties of multiplication. The properties of multiplication, students, so already I told that properties of multiplication is property 1, property 2, property 3. Already I told, so that applied in first main and second main, the fill in the blanks, so previous classes. So that is already finished. So today classes, students, today we are going to learn that in find the product of quickly and that also can be filled the fill in a banks students very easy because that you know find the product. Find the product means you know that is a product is about to consider this multiplication. So you have already gave to one diagram students. Can you observe this? In this main, so third, find the product. Find the product that is 50 as it. So can fill in the blanks. The students can fill in the blanks. Students, so that is uh, find the product. So find the product. Product means is you know that there is a we have to upload the multiplication. So quickly as shown, that is you have to this question first you have to read or first you think you have to write the answers is very quickly. So fill in the blanks as shown. Okay. So first question. Students already given that first one question that answers. So this is 100. You are given that 35,600 students. So next, you have to that is multiplying that is 100. So 35 lakh 60,000. Yes. So this is the first one question. So next is that is what is the B? So 37 37 students, you have to write answers. C 200 2, if you want to multiply in 100 is 2 times. Students, this is very easy because that you will use the multiplication method. So first I already showed to you one example similarly. The students, what for here that 3,356. 356. So there what? This is the product. Product means what, students? This is the multiplication. That is the multiplication. Yes. So multiplication means, so first you have to multiply 356 into 100. So what? 356 into 100. So you use that that is a common method of the multiplication. You have to use that common method of the multiplication because the two numbers 3 digit. This is taken to more time, students, because what here? So you have to multiply here very quickly. So you'll use in a short method, students. So short method means this is what, how many zeros? This is a 2 zeros. So here what left for here? 1. Yes, 356 into 1. Students, can you observe for here what? 356 into 1 here you have to, that is a, itself this is a 356. Students, how many zeros is left? Here 2 zeros is left. So what is the answer here? That is 3,56,000 answer is came. So next means the same method for applying what for here 3,056 sorry 3,56,000 into 100. So what? 3,000 3 lakh 56,000 into 100. Next, this number you have to do the multiple that into 100. So what is the answer, students? So here also how many zeros? Here 2 zeros. Here how many zeros? Here 3 zeros. So it is a very short method. So first you have to multiply 356 into 1. So 356. Students, how many zeros are here? Here how many zeros? Here 3 zeros, here 2 zeros. What is the total? How many? It is a 5 zeros. So you have to write here 5 zeros. Students, came that answer here, just you have to think the answer. So what that answer 1 stands? So students, here 100 means only 2 zeros. So you have to take here 1 less because you have came the here 1. So you have to write here this is the correct because what? For 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh because 3 lakh 56,000 plus 3 lakh 56,000 is that is the answer is. Yes, students. So 1 stands 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 35 lakh, 60,000 is answers. So now, so this is the next question. First you have to do 37 into 100. 37 into 100. So 37 into 1. First you have to 37 into 1, 37. How many zeros here? 2 zeros. Because this, what is the for here answer? 3, students, what is the answer? 3,700. So next 3,700 you have to multiply in 100. So multiple 100 means you have to use the same method. Students, what here? 3,700. 3,700 into 100. So first you have to do multi numbers. 37 here into 1, that is a 37. Students, can you observe here how many zeros? Here how many zeros? Total is 4 zeros. So how to write here? 4 zeros. So 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 3,70,000 answer is that is a left. But in students, the multiple, but you have to don't do the multiple for that in a long method. So given some this types of question, you depend upon the question. So first you have to take the question. So question is given to vary so one side is complete zeros given one number means first you have to do multiple. So afterwards how many zeros are there means that you have to write the zeros. Okay students. So next question. In same next question. So next is the 207. 2 into 100. This will 200 into 100. This is don't use for that in because they will use that this is a multiplication method. Don't use this types of method. Students, you know this just you can observe this because this question this is given to their side two sides and this side and this side is given that zeros you have to count it. But here can you observe unit places is given to number. So unit places number given means you have to do the multiple method. 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 2 into 0, 0. Yes. So here first you have to write the plus. 0 into 2, 0. Yes. Now you know that to multiple in any number that 0, that answer will be left for that 0. So happy students. So next question. Next 0 into 0. Next 0 into 0. So next last 1 into 2, 2. 1 0 0 1 into 2. Yes students, what is the left answer? The 20,200. So how to write here 20,000 to 20,200. But next you have to multiply in 100. So how do you multiply the 100? So this is a very easy method. Students, you know that 20,200 into 100. Student, this unit places and one places how many zero? 2 zeros. Here unit places 2 zeros. What is the left for here? 3 number. 202 into 1. So this is a 202 into 1 means that is 202 into 1 is that is the left of the answer 201. So I have to write here 201. So how many zeros students? Here 20, here 20. First you have to write here 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh because that 20 lakh, 20,000. So 20 lakh, 20,000 is the left answers. Okay, so next. This is the final answer. Yes, so now I will go to in the D1. D1 students, can you observe what is the question is D1 999. D1 question is 999 means students question was 999. So 999 into 100. So students, so first you have to this 2 zeros you don't consider 999 into 1. So 999 into 1 is that is itself because of 999. Students, how many zeros per year? That here how many zeros students? That here 2 total is 2 zeros. So what is the answer? 990 because of 99,900. So next means you have to in the same method. So what is this next? Students, next is what? 900 999 into 100 means that is a 99,900. So now again you have to multiply in 100. So first you have to can observe that 999, how many zeros? Here 2 zeros. Because you have to write here 999 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Because 99 lakh 9,000 is that is the answers. Yes, student, that is the 89,000 answer. So next, so last question. This in third and last question, I will give two more because that E1. So E1 question was that 1,667. So into you have to into that, or you multiple that 100 students in same in your house. Just you have to once again. I will repeat one second, explain students. So these examples already gave to in your reader. So already gave that what? So 356 into 100. So 356 and 100 means the 35,600. Students, you know, first this number and this is how to multiply. So 656 into how many zeros is left? 2 zeros is left. So this is same. So next procedure is same, students. So what is the next step? So 35,600 into 100. So what is that? 35,000. Sorry, 35 lakh 60,000 is answer is in same. So first question, first A, B, C, and D. I will upload the same method, students. So E also same because what is the E1 question is that is 1,667 into first you have to multiply that 100 students. Okay, so next question in fourth and fifth main, that is multiple. So can you observe, so given that three or more digits given, but you will use the very short methods. So you use to one shortcut methods because you use the in that is multiplication, you know, student, the multiplication of the 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, it is a common method you don't use because taken to more time. So you use the very shortcut or a short method you use, that is you have to multiply the more digit numbers. Okay, students. So now I will explain that in fourth way. Students, the fourth main, find the product. Into 40, 16C, 36 into 700, given 901 into 200. What is the answer, students? So this is question what? Write the product, fill in the blanks, means given the fill in the blanks, means that in blanks, okay, blank space. So students can observe your one, this is a 2-digit number, this is 3-digit number. So that is in common multiplication, you have to use the method which taken to more time. So you use a very short method. So you know students, here what is the number? This is 3-digit, but you have to consider only number. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 25 into 2. Yes, 25 into 2. What is that? You know that 25 into 2. 2 5s are 10. So 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. Yes, students, what is that? This is a 50. So here how many zeros is left? 2 zeros. What is the total answer? This is a 5,000. This is very easy. We'll use a very short method. You use this method, students, because so saving to time. So very easy. Next V1. This is very next of the same. You have to apply the method, same method. 16 into first 4. 0 is left. 16 into 4, students, you know. 16 into 4. So 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. This is plus 2, 6. What is that answer? 6. 64. But students, you know, this is 0. You have to write the 0. So 64 into 4 means that is 16 into 4 is the 64. But so afterwards, what is the left for here? 0. 1 0 is left. What is the total answer? 6040. Next is, just means here also same method. So 36 into 7. First you have to multiply. 36 into 7. So 7 6 is 42. 7 3 is 21. 21 and 25. What is that? Students, that is 36 into 7. What is that? 252. How many zeros is left? 2 zeros is left. How many zeros is left today? That is a 2 zeros is left, because that what is the answer? 25,200. What is the total answer? 25,200. Yes. So next. So 109 into 2. This is, don't consider this. 901 into 2. Students, 2 ones are 2. 2 into 0, 2, 9, 9 are 18. What is that? So this is 18, 1802. Students, how many zeros is left? 2 zeros. Because you have to write here. So 1,80,200 is the answer. So what is that? 900. 1 into 200. What is the product? What is the answers, or what is the result? So that is the result here. 1,80,200. Yes, students, 1,80,200. So next question. So next question is, that is E and F. So E and F I will give the homework, because we will use this same method, students. So once again I will repeat explanation that was, students, what is the first question given to 25 into 200. 25 into 200 means this is, if you don't use the multiplication, that is common method. So take on to more time, use techniques. So techniques work. This is the how, this is a 200, 1 places and 10 places. You have to only this 1 places and 10 places given the zeros means you don't take it. So here what left for here? 10 places, I mean 100 places 2. So 25 into 2, what is the answer? 50. But again in this 2 0 you consider, what is the total result? That is a 500. The product is 5,000. So 16 into 40. 16 into 40, first 6 4 is the what? First 6 4 the 64. But what is the left for 0? 1 0 is left, because I write that 640. Next, the same method. So what is 36 into 700? So first you have to 36 into 7. What is that? So 36 into 7 is, this is the answer. So 252. How many zeros is left? 2 zeros. So I have to write here 2 0. So what is the total product? 25,200. So next question, students. 109 into 200. 109 into 200. But you have to first, you have to multiply the 901 into 2. 901 into 2. What is the result? 1,802. So how many zeros is left? 2 zeros is left. What is the total result? So that is the 1,80,200. So next two questions in E and F. In this main E and F, I will give the homework. So next, students, in find the product in same method. So this also will use the in well method, because already I will explain this also. That is the same. So now I will explain to fifth main. Question was, students, in last minute find the product. So find the product means you have to consider here what, students, find the product is, first question is what? So A1 30,004. So sorry, 13 into 4,000. So So what is the product? In B, 128 into 3000. What is the result? So next, in D, 8042. What is the product? So last one. So I will explain in this question. I will give the homework. That is E and F. So no, that D and E. So F question I will explain. So now students. Yes, students, can you observe this question? Because what this question is what? So you know 30 into 4000. What is that? 30 into 4000. So this is a 4000, you know. So students, here only you have to consider for number 13 into 4. Students, 13 4 is what? 52. Yes. So 4 is a 12, 1 carry. So 4 on the 4, this is a 5. Yes, students, these two numbers, but you have to multiply. This is a 50. Students, how many zeros is left here? 3 zeros. So you have to write here 3 zeros. Because that 13 into 4, 4000 is, what is the answer? 52,000. So next. So in a B, yes. So first you have to consider the number. So 1 places, 10 places, how many zeros students? This is a 3 zeros. So first 128 into 3. So you have to multiply for that numbers. 128. 3 8 are 24. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2. 8. 3 1s are 3. Yes, students, what is that? 384. 128 into 3. What is the product? 384. Yes, students, how many zeros is left for here? That is a 3 zeros. So you have to write here 3 zeros. That is the answer. So 3,84,000. So next question. So next is what? 8,000 into 42. So first you have to multiply the numbers. So 42 into 8. 8 2 is 16. 8 4s are 32, 32, 1, 33. So what is the 336? Students, you can observe here how many zeros is left here. This is a 3 zeros left. What is the answer? So 3,36,000. The product is came. What is the product? So 3,36,000 is the product. Okay. So next question. So D, I will give the homework, students. D and E, I will give the homework. F, students can observe for F 11 into 9,000. 11 into 9,000. Students, but you don't confuse that. One side, right side, one side given 4,000. So in the right side. So this question is given first. This is when A1 question means that is given to 0 is in the second. So first year what in D1 questions is given to first because the 8,000 into 42. So this is the first given means you have to write this in same method. If you want to write or left, you use the same method. Okay. So you what 11 into 9. So 11 into 9. 11 into 9, that is the what student? 99. So you have to write here first 99. So how many zeros is left, students? This is a left for 0, 3 zeros. Because that what is the answer? 11 into 9,000 is 11 into 9,000 because what you have to multiply that 11 into 9. Then what is the result? That is 99. So 100 I written that 99. How many zeros is left for here? This is 3 zeros. So I will written for here 3 0. What is the result to the what is the product for that year? So 99,000 is the product. Yes, students. So today classes I will already I have explained that. Third main, fourth main, and fifth main. So students, some questions I will give the homework. So compulsory you have to write in your classwork. So in your homework means you have to solve any that rough notebook or any pages. Yes, students, thank you. So next class in exercise 4B. So this is the multiplication. So already you learned in second 4 in one digits, second or in 3 or more, 4 or 3 or more means in already you learned 1 digit, 2 digit. In next classes is 3 digit multiplication. I will explain. Okay. Thank you, students.